Hi everyone, this is our new design of two-head semi-automatic capsule filling machine. It can fill powder, granule, and pad it into hard capsule. Suitable for capsule size 00025. Automatic two-head capsule sew-in. The max output is 40,000 capsules per hour. Various material equipped with different feeding screws. Solve the problem of material viscosity. Powder feeding doesn't accuracy higher. Area less than 3%. Optional pressing powder plate. If you want to fill more powder, press to refill. Horizontal capsule locking. No leakage of powder. CE, GMP, USA and EU standard. Capsule machine. Choose Ruida packing.